Retrieve your Verizon account number with ease.
Hello there. Are you struggling to remember your Verizon account number? Don't worry, this is a common problem. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to retrieve your Verizon account number quickly and easily. Remember, your account security is paramount, so always ensure you're using secure and verified methods.
Understanding what your account number is.
Your Verizon account number is a unique identifier that links you to your Verizon account. It's crucial for managing your account, paying your bills, and communicating with customer service. So, it's important that you have easy access to it. Don't confuse this with your phone number or other account credentials.
Retrieving your account number via the Verizon website.
One of the easiest ways to find your account number is by logging into your Verizon account online. Here's how. 1. Go to the official Verizon website. 2. Log into your account using your username and password. 3. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. 4. Your account number will typically be listed under Account Overview or similar. Always remember to log out of your account when you're done, especially if you're using a public or shared computer.
Finding your account number on your bill.
You can also find your Verizon account number on your monthly bill. It's usually located in the top right-hand corner of the first page. Here are the steps. 1. Find your most recent Verizon bill. 2. Look at the top right-hand corner of the first page. 3. Your account number will be listed there, often under Account Number or Customer ID. This method requires a physical or digital copy of your bill. If you've opted for paperless billing, you can find your bill in your email or your Verizon account online.
Contacting Verizon customer support.
If you're still having trouble finding your account number or can't access your account online, your best option is to contact Verizon customer support directly. 1. Call Verizon customer service at their official number. 2. Follow the prompts to speak with a representative. 3. Once connected, they'll ask for some identifying information to verify your identity, after which they can provide you with your account number. Always be wary of sharing sensitive information over the phone. Ensure you're talking to an official Verizon representative. So there you have it. Those are 3 easy ways to retrieve your Verizon account number. Remember, keeping track of your account number is vital for managing your Verizon services. Hopefully, this guide made it a little easier for you. As always, stay safe and happy connectivity.